Please follow me closely. Get out of the way, please.
Oh.
Otherwise, I will become angry.
Okay, I'm sorry. You look like Hello Kitty. Easy. easy. we don't want no trouble.
Don't block my way, please. I have to work very hard. Look forward to serving you next time.
And my guy. You and me, hotpot Orlando. Come by.
First watch in Champions Gate. It's a breakfast, so a brunch place. So, let's see what they got. We took it to go because it was really packed in there. Super packed. My coffee. And a salad. I got the smoked salmon bagel, hash browns or potatoes, so it has bacon, avocado, over easy egg, and then it came with fruits for the side and a salad. If you need someone, I need you to hold on. It's an iPad kind of day. It's pouring, thunderstorms, but it's somewhat relaxing after 2 long days at the park. Feels nice.
Days call for iPad days. Right, Travis? Travis.
Tomorrow's gonna be nice. 84, partly cloudy.
He's must sick
No,
of
it's
me.
partly cloudy. It is gone. Now it's sunny. And the kids are on the pool and they're happy.
Go, come on.
Go, Kylie, jump! Go! Not there. Not on the stairs. You scared?
Come in.
What a gator in the gator wand.
You gotta see the gator. Let me see this tooth.
And it's beautiful out. It's not humid. It's not hot. It's just warm. We are at You and Me Revolving Hot Pot. Should be good. What'd you say?
Oh, Jaden?
Here we are. Look forward to serving you next time.
Thank you.
Get out of the way, please. Otherwise, I will become angry. Don't do my food.
Oh, these two and over there?
Get out of the way, please.
Amazing.
Otherwise, I will become angry.
that they have. They have original, pork bone, spicy, herbal, tomato, mushroom, and tom yum. Lots of options here. And then this is the combo, but that's only during lunchtime, so. Smoothies. Sake.
That's more coming, right?
More meat, more shrimp. Wow. So it looks like these are noodles.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here's where we make our dipping sauce. Yummy. Nacho, it's all labeled on the tip for you guys too. If I can see it. So Ronnie's putting garlic. The extra garlic. What kind of sauce are you making? With the oyster sauce?
Yeah, I'm making barbecue.
Barbecue, which is
This here I got spicy. The kids got original. And then Kevin got spicy as well. It's good and it smells fire.
so I got the shrimp and some beef balls, some beef and chicken and lamb.
No, I didn't see it.
Here's my broth. I got a spicy broth. We're going to roll up. What we got? Can't wait. Let's see how it is. I mean, the broth looks really good and spicy, but I don't know how spicy it's gonna be. So we'll see. We're gonna make it fit. We're gonna make it fit. And then I cook, do this thing. So what I do, I like to cook the meat first, and then I cook the udon noodles. That's what the kids want. After bath. The tea. The tea.
This place was so fire. Babe, did you like it? Was it good? It's bomb. The sauce is bomb. All you can eat. Look at us. We tore it up. Was it good?
Definitely recommend.
Definitely. You need to come here when you're in Orlando.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
Here we are. Multiple days.
At my guy. At my guy.